What up guys, Miguel here of YugaTech, and I'm sure you all know that when you go into your quick settings menu, there's that airplane icon that when activated, turns off your cellular connectivity and mobile data. Airplane mode, what a mystery. If you don't fly frequently, chances are you don't use it a lot, but when you're seated there in your economy seat, next to a sleeping snoring dude and a crying baby, and you hear the in-flight safety video tell you to switch off your device or put it in airplane mode, most of us just comply. But is it really necessary? There have certainly been times where I've forgotten to turn on airplane mode while on a flight, and I mean, seriously, nothing bad happened, I think. When you activate airplane mode, it basically blocks all signal transmission from your device, particularly cellular connections. You won't be able to make phone calls, send text messages, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth shut off, but for those two, you can turn them back on manually. Way back in 1991, the Federal Communications Commission, or FCC, banned phone calls on planes as the radio frequencies emitted by old-school cell phones with big antennas and other electronic devices could interfere with an airplane's equipment, including navigation and communication systems. That's the reason for all this airplane mode stuff. And it's not just your phone sending out strong signals, it can be your laptop, tablet, and portable game consoles too. And if something wrong with any of your gadgets is causing them to emit even stronger radio waves than they normally do, the threat is even bigger. The research on the matter claims that active cell phones could interfere with airplane equipment. But this pilot tells Business Insider that it's never been totally proven that a mobile phone signal has interfered with the navigation performance on an aircraft. But just because it's never happened doesn't mean it will never happen. Anyway, in 2013, the Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, calmed down their rules about when exactly passengers could use their gadgets throughout the flight, even at altitudes below 10,000 feet. But why are we still told to turn off our devices or put them on airplane mode? Well, airlines have rules and laws to follow, not to mention they have their own reasons. In 2017, the chairman of the FCC actually rejected a proposal to allow phone calls on flights. His reason? So we could, I quote, value a moment of quiet at 30,000 feet. Yup. In reality, modern aircraft equipment is robust. Even if these transmissions from your gadgets were to cause problems, the plane wouldn't just fall out of the sky because a few people forgot to enable airplane mode. So to answer the question, do we really need airplane mode turned on? It depends on who you ask. The airlines and aviation agencies would say, yes. But technically speaking, no. Because it's highly unlikely to affect a plane's equipment. But wait, should you turn on airplane mode? I mean, at 35,000 feet in the air, cell signal is pretty non-existent anyway. You're better off keeping it on to save battery life. So that's it guys. Do you guys turn on airplane mode when on a flight? Or nah? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified for future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one. Airplane.